There's a moment just after the lines are cast off, when the engine cuts out and the wind takes over. The boat breathes, the world quiets. Feel it in your chest first, that sudden, unmistakable sense of freedom. This is sailing on Green Bay, part of the vast and wild Lake Michigan. And today, we're taking you with us. Ahoy, Captain Ric Mellon from Windjammer Sail Incorporated, an unlimited master captain with 50 years of sailing experience on oceans, inland waters, and of course the Great Lakes. I've logged countless miles in every kind of weather and water, from deep ocean passages to the unpredictable moods of these inland seas. That experience is what we bring to every trip. Deep knowledge of every cove, every shifting breeze, and every hidden gem where the light hits the water just right. This isn't just a job, it's a lifelong passion built on safely guiding guests through everything Green Bay and Upper Lake Michigan can deliver. Green Bay is very special. It's considered to be the largest freshwater estuary in the world, stretching over 120 miles with more than 200 miles of shoreline. The water here can be glass calm in the morning and deliver perfect 10 to 20 knot breezes by the afternoon. Lake Michigan's big lake energy meets protected bay sailing. You get the thrill of open water without the intimidation of the big lake. Eagles can soar overhead at any moment. Pelicans drift by. Sturgeon roll in the shallows. And on clear days, you can see Door County's bluffs rising like a postcard to the east. Watch as we raise our mainsail. Feel that satisfying snap when the wind fills it. We trim the jib, find our groove, and suddenly we're moving at 6, 7, maybe even 8 knots with nothing but the wind pushing us. No engine noises, no traffic, just the sound of the water sliding along the hull and the occasional call of "ready, about," as we tack toward Chambers Island, Sister Bay, or Peshtigo Point. This is where the magic lives. The stress of the week melts away with every mile. You're not checking emails or sitting in traffic. You're present and in the moment. You're part of something ancient. Humans and wind working together to cross water. Families reconnect here. Couples celebrate anniversaries, watching the sunset paint the sky orange and pink. Friends laugh as they take the helm for the first time and realize, I can actually do this. I see this every time I take somebody on the water. Their eyes widen, their shoulders drop. Smiles appear that weren't there when we stepped aboard. Sailing isn't just recreation, it's restoration. Science backs it up. Time on the water lowers cortisol, sharpens your focus, and lifts your mood. You don't need a study to feel it. You can feel it in the moment the sails draw and the boat leans into the breeze. Whether you want an adrenaline-filled day of strong wind sailing, or a peaceful sunset cruise, or a private lesson, we design every trip around what you want to experience. No experience is needed. We teach you everything, step by step, in a very safe and supportive environment. Green Bay and Lake Michigan have given us countless perfect days on the water. We'd love nothing more than to share one with you. If you're ready to feel that freedom for yourself, visit us at Windjammer Sail or drop a comment below and tell us what kind of sailing day you're dreaming of. Hit subscribe so you don't miss our next adventure. And we'll see you out there on Green Bay. Until then, fair winds.